everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's here. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Well, I didn't put out a paper crafting kit in December because I knew that we were all busy bees. But my first paper crafting kit of 2024 is here, and y'all, I absolutely love it. This will be my January 2024 paper crafting kit. It will go on sale tomorrow, Thursday, January 4th, 2024. At 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So I wanted to give everyone a heads up because I only have 20 of these, and I wanted to make sure that if you were interested, you were able to grab one. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because I want you guys to see all of this goodness. So for January, y'all, I decided to go with the black and white theme with a pop of color. So what I'll be doing is walking you through all that you will get in this kit, and I'm going to start with the accessories, and then I'll walk you through the papers because we have a lot of beautiful papers in this kit. So in my kits, I do try to include an adhesive pack, and that's normally some Velcro dots and maybe some glue dots. And then each kit will have a roll of washi tape. The washi tape from kit to kit will be different. Each kit will have this package of ribbon and twine. I think that there are 3 types in here. We have black and white twine, we have some gold ribbon, and then we have some champagne colored satin ribbon. So you'll get a pack of that. Each kit will contain a magnetic clip. So you'll be able to decorate the outside of this, and you can use it as a bookmark. You can use it however you like, but I thought it would be a fun way to create a magnetic clip. So you'll get one of those. Then each kit is going to contain some black and white paper dolls, and it looks like there are 5 in each kit, and these are vellum paper dolls. Then to help add a pop of color, I have this beautiful bag of hot pink or fuchsia flatback pearls, and there are an assortment of sizes in here. There are probably at least 30 pearls per bag, probably more, but at least 30. And then we have these beautiful, beautiful gold foiled black and white flowers, stickers. And each kit will contain a paper pad. The styles will vary. And now let's get to these beautiful papers. In this kit, we have the most beautiful little collection of papers. So I am going to untie this so that I can walk you through what's in here. So we have these beautiful black and white papers, great accent papers. Then we have another pack of black and white vellum stickers. And y'all, look at all of these stickers that you get. Each kit will have all of these stickers available. And then we have another paper pack, and y'all, there are so many beautiful papers in here that you can use. And so we have these 2 papers that have a coating on the front. These are postcard size papers, a little bit larger than a postcard. And then we have some more beautiful sheets of paper that you can use in your paper crafting. Y'all, look at these beautiful vellums. Just so gorgeous. Everyone who purchases the kit is going to get everything that I'm showing you right here. It comes with this nice little fun envelope. And then you have this large sheet that would make a beautiful, beautiful journal cover. And then we have all of these beautiful pages. So we haven't even gotten to the 12 by 12s. And look at how much paper you are actually getting in this kit. Y'all, there's a lot. My sister was helping me to put the kits together, and she said, "Do you really mean to give them all of this?" And I said, "Absolutely, I do." So you'll have this pack and all of this. And now we're going to get to our other papers. So y'all remember, this is a black and white kit primarily. So I have this beautiful piece of black and white vellum, 8.5 by 11. You can use it as a whole sheet, or you can cut it into smaller pieces and really make it stretch throughout your paper crafting, but it's gorgeous. And then we have this beautiful page of black and white, double-sided. There's one page of that. And then we have 2 pages of this beautiful black and white. Some of you have seen me use this on the channel. Each kit will contain 2 pages of black and white stripes, but the stripes from kit to kit will vary. They will be double-sided, so your double side might be different, but you will have black and white stripes to work with. Each kit will contain 1 sheet of this beautiful black glitter paper. Now the glitter is baked in, so you can rub your hand across and none of the glitter comes off, but it is a gorgeous paper. I really wish you could see this up close and personal, and if you order the kit, you will see it up close and personal. So there's 1 sheet of that. Then we have 2 sheets of black cardstock, 12 by 12, 2 sheets of the chipboard that I use, and 1 12 by 12 sticker sheet that has the pop of color to really accentuate that fuchsia color from those pearls. So you'll have 1 sheet of that. So for this kit, y'all, this is all of the goodness that you're going to be receiving. This paper crafting kit has a lot in it, and if you're like me and you like crafting with black and white, you're going to love this paper crafting kit. It will go on sale tomorrow, January 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, so that everyone will have a heads up. If you're a member of my monthly members group or my Patreon, I will post your 15% discount code, so you can be on the lookout for that. Just to remind you, I only have 20 of these available total. So I hope that if you're interested, you go out as soon as possible and grab yours, because once they're gone, and I will start working on the February paper crafting kit. So y'all, thank you so much for your support. Purchasing my paper crafting kits help to keep my channel running. Any purchase that you make on my website helps to keep my channel running, and I truly appreciate it. As always, my friends, y'all, please be safe out there. Be kind and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.